Hey everyone, welcome back to Rust Belt Broncos, and today we are back with another episode, and today we're talking about this Danchel outdoor awning that I just got from Amazon. It is a 6.5 by 8 feet long awning, and I have it on my homemade trailer for the rooftop tent. And I just want to go over with you how I installed this. It was a fairly simple install, and I just want to show you some of the custom brackets that I used for the trailer. Now, what we're doing still is I just tapped that hole for the frame here that we made. And the bolt I got is a little bit too long. I thought I needed a 6-inch bolt. As you can see, the hole is drilled and tapped through the other side. I'm gonna go and try to find a 5-inch bolt for the back side here. And then we're gonna bolt that to the frame and then add a bracket up here to the top. But very easy to install. It's an aluminum frame. Awning comes in weighing around 20 pounds. And here's the back side. Basically just bolts inside that rail there. And I can slide this awning to the left or to the right. And it's a very nice awning. I love the material. It's super light, easy to fold out. And what you do is there's a pole that runs across the top here, and then the bottom leg poles run across the bottom. Now, what I did when I'm folding this out, as I go and I'm folding, I just go ahead and attach this to the rod. As I go down the line, I will secure that to those poles. It just makes it easier when I get over here to the end to do this myself. There's a little hole up here where this pole goes in. So it's really easy to set up. I really like how the color matches my Iron Man tent. And then the case that this folds up into is really nice. And as you can see, you just kind of kick it back there. But this is the Danchel outdoor awning. I really like it. We're gonna go to Missouri this weekend and test this out and see how it does. But Danchel Outdoors, Amazon, I'll post a link down below if you want to purchase one of these. This is the 6.5 by 8 in tan. I believe this is a really nice tent awning, and I think you'll like it too. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe.